Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. So, we're diving right into it today. We are getting right into pulling the glass, the dash, the seats, potentially the floorboards, vacuuming all of this out, probably pulling this battery. Getting into just some overall maintenance. The car is nasty because the last couple events I got lazy. I was like, it's only the last like 2-3 events. We're gonna be driving not for a while, and between now and then I'm gonna take apart the car, so I don't want to clean it. And I didn't, and I went to events. So that's what we're cleaning. So we're gonna get right to it. I was literally just telling Sebastian that I wanted to, where the heck, oh there you are, that I wanted to grab the camera to express the level of stress that we're dealing with right now. And emotions and stuff that, you know, you really don't get through YouTube videos, because it's always like, hey, we finished this is the next task. Hey, we finished this is the next task. Right now it's like what are we gonna do? So, to express to you guys what's going on, I was doing this and learning how to wire. I mean, I had done the previous car, so I will say this is light years ahead of where I was. But like, this is messy. I have one loom, and the loom that I got wasn't big enough because I ended up adding more wires as we went. And then I have like other looms that go down that side. Why not put all the wires down one side, maybe down this side, so it's away from the pedals? Like, I cut that pedal. You remember the wire that we cut at
yes.
At Atlanta Motorsports Park? I went to go clutch kick my very first corner, and we were dealing with wiring issues the entire day. It ended up being a wire that was ran through there and ended up getting loose, and we had to run this janky wire like this for the event. Look at that, all exposed and whatnot. So we were just like, the car kind of needs some wiring love. Now, the issue is, do I kind of like retouch it up, or do we just pull everything out and leave all of the electronics mounted where they're supposed to go, and then do one beautiful loom and get it all done? The thing is that it'll literally be like an entire weekend process. It'll be like Friday, get off of work and just start laying out wires. You know what I mean? Get it to where everything has an additional foot, and then twine all the wires, and then put them through a loom, and then get everything like built outside of the car and put in. Like, dude, beautiful. But a lot of work. And another thing that we were saying is that right now the car is operable. Once I fix the manifold, I can put the tires on it and like drive it out if I need to. But if we do this, there's no driving it. That's like, we are committed.
We sounds like a lot of people.
I'm committed. We're committed.
Yeah, that's the game plan.
That's the game plan. That's the stress that I want to relate to you guys, because a lot of times we just deal with that and then figure it out afterwards. But no, this is stressful, and it's like signing us up for a very fair amount of work. But we got to do it. We got to get it done. It's going to look better, and the car is going to run a lot better. And also, Sebastian was mentioning like labeling everything too is a big one. Like, we're having problems with the water pump. We could test the the ohms, whether there's resistance in the wire. We can test whether it's getting the 12 volts. Yeah, if it's cut, if it's not. all kinds of different stuff. So
A bunch of electrical nerd things.
I think he is correct, and I think that we should do this. Alrighty guys, so I really thought that I was going to keep working today and just make this a longer video, but to be honest, I kind of want to keep these videos short, a little bit more entertaining. I can put up more content, update you guys little by little, instead of having like one long video every month or something like that. I'm trying to aim for Mondays and Fridays. Mondays and Fridays? Tuesdays and Fridays is what I'm trying to aim for. Is uploading like a 3 to 7 minute video, probably like a 7-minute video every Tuesday and Friday. But also not just that, like I was gonna vacuum and clean all that, but I still have so much work to do, and like I was going to include the wiring in this video, but I feel like there are some people out there that may want to know, hey, how to wire a drift car, you know, at this like level where you have, you know, fuel cell, you have fans, you have surge tank, so on and so forth. You have things. How do I wire it? Why am I doing away with this mess? Like, yes, everything works, but look at this mess. You want to have things easily diagnosable, and that's what I'm going to go through in the next video. So I think it would be better if I cut this video here, do a nice little wiring video, kind of like a tutorial, how-to, however you call it, so on and so forth. So let me give you a quick update. The windshield out, dash out, seats out in this video, and we are prepping for stripping all the wiring, reluming it all, and putting in new wires where need be. And then yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. We do cool stuff with this crazy beast of a car all the time. Let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see in the comment section down below, and also down here should be on this side. Oh, sorry, you can't. Oh, that side, boop, 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 right there. There should be a little bell. Please go ahead and hit that bell. That's gonna let you guys know whenever I post a new video. It'll give you guys a little notification letting you know. So thank you guys, appreciate you, and as always, keep it sideways.